Hi, this is Math Kimchi, and today we will learn about mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is a method of proving something like an identity, and it's really useful when you are trying to prove that a formula works for any natural number. To use mathematical induction, you need to do two steps. The first step is called the base step, and you prove that an identity works with an example like 0 or 1. The second step is the induction step, and you have to prove that if the identity works with n, then it will also work with n plus 1. If you are able to prove those two things, you'll be able to conclude that the identity works with all natural numbers. Now let's practice mathematical induction with proof of the triangle number formula. A triangle number is a number like 1 plus 2 plus 3, and it goes on until you add n, and then you stop. And we're trying to prove that that number is equal to n times n plus 1 all over 2, as long as n is a natural number. For the basis step, let's replace n with 1, and we can see that 1 equals 1 times 1 plus 1 over 2. For the induction step, we are trying to prove that if 1 plus 2 plus 3 until n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 times n plus 1 plus 1 all over 2. So that's what we're trying to do. And to do this, we are going to use algebra. First, you replace 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n with n times n plus 1 over 2. Then you replace n plus 1 with 2 times n plus 1 over 2. And then we are able to factor n times n plus 1 plus 2 times n plus 1 into n plus 1 times n plus 2. And n plus 2 is just n plus 1 plus 1. And now we have proof that 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 times n plus 1 plus 1 all over 2, assuming that the formula works for n. Now that we have proved the basis and the induction steps, we can say that this formula works for all natural numbers. Now, practice on your own, and these are the things you should try. Thanks for watching.